Hello everyone, welcome back to Books for Success. Today, we are discussing The Power of Communication, Skills to Build Trust, Inspire Loyalty, and Lead Effectively, by Helio Garcia. This book is a treasure trove of insights and practical advice for anyone looking to improve their communication skills and become a more effective leader. Before we dive in, if you're enjoying our content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the links provided in the description of the video. In The Power of Communication, Garcia delves into the 9 principles of effective communication, which he calls the Power Principles. These principles are based on the Marine Corps leadership and communication practices and are designed to help us build trust, inspire loyalty, and lead effectively. Garcia argues that communication is not just about what we say, but how we say it, how it is received, and how it influences others' behavior. He emphasizes the importance of empathy, discipline, and preparation in communication. The first power principle is, be disciplined. Discipline is the foundation of effective communication. It means being aware of our own biases, emotions, and triggers, and managing them effectively. It also means being prepared, staying focused, and being adaptable. The second power principle is, know yourself. Self-awareness is key to effective communication. It means understanding our own strengths and weaknesses, and how we are perceived by others. The third power principle is, take charge. Taking charge means being proactive, setting the agenda, and taking responsibility for the outcome of our communication. The fourth power principle is, be confident. Confidence is essential for effective communication. It means being certain of our message, our delivery, and our ability to influence others. The fifth power principle is, be clear. Clarity is crucial for effective communication. It means being concise, specific, and to the point. The sixth power principle is, be human. Being human means showing empathy, humility, and vulnerability in our communication. The seventh power principle is, listen. Listening is one of the most important skills in communication. It means truly hearing and understanding the other person's perspective. The eighth power principle is, make the message accessible. Making the message accessible means using simple language, avoiding jargon, and making the message relevant to the audience. The ninth and final power principle is, commit to the message. Committing to the message means being authentic, credible, and consistent in our communication. Garcia uses several examples and case studies in the book to illustrate these principles, such as the communication strategies of successful leaders like Winston Churchill and Martin Luther King Jr., and the communication failures of leaders like Tony Hayward during the BP oil spill. In conclusion, The Power of Communication is a must-read for anyone looking to improve their communication skills and become a more effective leader. It provides practical advice and actionable strategies that can be implemented immediately to improve our communication and influence. Thank you for joining me in this episode of Books for Success. If you found this summary helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more book summaries and insights. And remember, communication is power. Thanks for watching.